2021 Land Rover Discovery. DPF fault this came in for. Now the DPF was showing fully. We tried regenerating, it wouldn't regenerate. We tried a DPF cleaner, it wouldn't clean. So we stripped it down, all the E-jar valves are coked up. Turbo's gone. I'll try and put my fingers in there to show you the play, but the turbo has gone and it has filled up the DPF down in here, which is a bit of a nightmare to get out, to be honest with you. It's not the easiest of jobs. So if you've got DPF faults on these Discoveries, be checking your turbo, because the next stage after this is that turbo would have completely hit the picked up and run on the oil, which I've known the engines go, which isn't good. 21 plate, not good. Thanks for watching.